Konnichiwa kimono wearers, we're in Nozawa Onsen and today we're boarding Skyline. Skyline follows the ridgeline from near the top of the resort down to Nagasaka or Karasawa.
What way do you go to 26?
Skyline starts as a red run, turns black and is 3.5 k's in length.
Always 26. Last run feels. Fuck.
D-Light's withdrawal pains hitting early. Old man Budgie struggling to get up.
Half the fun's getting up, eh?
Okay, let's do Skyline, peeps.
Oh yeah, next 20th video.
What a glorious day for Hot Dog, Budgie and D-Light. The views are going to be epic down Skyline. How good does this look? The boys are loving it. These action cameras flatten out the slope. The start of Skyline is a red run. This is bloody gorgeous. What a friggin' great day. Budgie loving the views. The start of Skyline is its narrowest part. Things do open up a bit, eventually. There are a couple of flatter sections on the run, like this one. You gotta stop and enjoy the views occasionally. They're damn spanking good on a day like this.
Reckon that's where those guys are going? Right? That's where those guys are going.
We're definitely not dropping into that, because drop we would.
Oh, fuck.
D-Light doing D-Light things. It's definitely steeper down here than it looks. You're just gonna have to trust me on this one. It's damn steep, okay?
There's the view! What?
D-Light loving it. The semi-coordinated boarders making their way down Skyline. Ooh, there we go. Budgie falling off his perch. Can't see it, but D-Light has a grin ear to ear.
Hey! Hey! Yeah, that's the view!
Budgie keen to keep moving. D-Light and Hot Dog just soaking up the views. Last night's curry must be hitting Budgie. He's clearly in a rush.
Oh, look at that kid go. That's cool.
kinda steep down this section, and at some point you just gotta pin it to get along the flat section coming up. D-Light about to release the hammer. You beauty! D-Light pinning it now. Definitely pinning it. D-Light is absolutely flying. Do not catch an edge, man. Do not catch an edge. And Budgie loving the speed. Said it felt like flying, which Budgies just love.
People go down there, that's fucked. So people go down there. That's insane. Be a lot easier on skis, for sure.
Yeah, I guess you can balance better.
Hey?
You can balance better,
Yeah,
I guess.
put him back. I thought 42 was the... Hey?
42 goes to a green.
Yeah, 43.
43 also goes to that green.
Yeah, take either of them.
Go 42 and then that puts on the green and then again.
Okie dokie, after a bit of working out, we've decided to take a break from Skyline and take our semi-coordinated boarding skills down the Red Run Kamoshika, 950 metre cat track through the trees which ends up at Parasawa. We'll show that off in a future vid. But for now, and as usual, arigatou gozaimasu for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe, wear a helmet!